ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ನಿಶಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
Good morning, I am Aishwarya BK of 8th semester. Now I am going to present the internship presentation on travel agency. Our guide is Mr. Imran Khan sir, and the internship seminar coordinator is Mr. Kirti Prasad sir. Head of the department Dr. Sunil Kumar BS sir. Advantages of internship: gain valuable work experience, develop and refine skills, network with professionals in the fields, gain confidence, decide our career, we can make industry contact. Presentation outlines: company overview, project description, domain details, internship details, technical details, result and overall experience conclusion. Company overview. In vision, the customer find choice as a technology provider, envision to be a leader in the information technology services area. Grow as a leader in the IT services shall be guided by organizational values and customer needs. Mission: to provide highly quality technology services and solutions at affordable cost in the information, internet and ubiquitous communication and supplementary services related to our core businesses. With all the above vision and mission of education for education, Sukshmas came into existence in April 2017. Sukshmas is a project by Sukshmas e-Learning Private Limited company based in Bangalore. Company overview. This is our internship company logo, Sukshmas. And company details: Sukshmas founded in the year 2017, founded by Rajesh Kumar, entrepreneur, led and guided by alumni of IIMS and Xavier's. It is a social media of education connecting every students, teachers and institutions to make a learning process more interesting and similar than even before. Rendered services to 500 happy customers across the globe. Average tenure of people with organization is 4 years. This is our abstract. The recent past shown a greater interest in recommending technologies. Nowadays, there are many travel packages existing from the different websites, almost all the places over the world. A customer find it is a very difficult to search for the best package. He or she has to browse the multiple websites, contact many, and they have to contact many travel agents and etc. There should be a system where the user should find the best package on the internet with a single click. To address this issue, we adopt the travel package recommendations systems which offer the best package among all the other packages that are on the project. Will help to tourist to suggest the best travel package among all the package details on the web or website. On multi demands of tourists, that is a customer will select a travel package for a particular place based on the recommendations provided by the previous customers who had experience with the package. Therefore, according to the personalized recommendations, he or she will choose the best package that is on the web. This is the introduction. A travel agency is a private, retailer, or public service that provides travel and tourist related services to the general public on behalf of the accommodations or travel supplier to offer different kinds of traveling packages for each destination. Travel agencies can also serve as a general sales agents for airlines that do not have offices in a specific region. A travel agency's main function is to act as an agent, selling travel products and services on behalf of the supplier. Travel agencies can provide outdoor recreations activities, airlines, car rentals, cruise lines, hotel, railways, travel insurance, package tours, insurance guidebooks, VIP airports, like etc. And arranging the logistic and logistics for luggages and medical items delivery for traveling request, public transport timetable, car trailers and services, etc. They do not keep a inventory in the hand unless they have pre-booked hotels, rooms or cabins on the
Aishwarya.
previous. Sir.
Aishwarya.
Sir.
Aishwarya, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Aishwarya.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hello. 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 Sir.
ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್?
ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಸಿಜಿ, ಸಹನಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಚನ್ನ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹನುಮಂತ್ ಮೌತೆ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದಾನಾ? ಹೆಲೋ. ಸರ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್?
ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಸಿಜಿ, ಸಹನಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಚನ್ನ ಬಸವರಾಜ್, ಹನುಮಂತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೌತೆ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಇದಾರ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ಗೆ? ಯಾರು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರೋರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಚನ್ನ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನ ಅವರು ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಕೇಳೋದ್ ಬೇಡ.
ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಸರ್, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಪಿಟಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಬರೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Same
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
thing not be repeated. You start executing your, I mean to say, you show your project and explain.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is our index page, sir.
Output you show and in that what technology you are using, you just tell that.
Sir.
No need to explain code and all. You just just highlight what technology you are using for developing that by showing the output.
Sir. Okay. Sir, this is our travel agency pack.
Go on explaining this.
Sir,
What are the
in
options?
this we have included home packages, contact and registration, login and gallery page. In this this is our home page. We included the logo also. And in this package, sir, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಲೋ.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್
just highlight what things you have done in this. Remaining they will explain.
I included contact page. This is our contact details.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ ನಾನು.
ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ
ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕೋ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು.
ಸರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ sir, this can I audible sir? Hello.
ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ.
Okay, okay. ಸರ್ಗೆ
ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಲೇ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಇಶಾ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Chennabasavara, you can continue with this.
Hello. Sir, give me 10 minutes, sir. I am rejoining. There is some network problem, sir. Here, I will rejoin and I will connect, sir. Hello. Sir, I am audible, sir.
ರೀಜಾನ್ ಆಗು ಬೇಗ.
Now I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, sir,
Yes,
not
sir.
clearly audible.
Okay. Chenna, you please continue with this project because you are part of that team.
Channa Basaraj. Continue. Start sharing PPT.
Yeah, start ಮಾಡಿ next. Yeah, who is next?
Sir, Channa Basaraj, sir.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
He's
start
waiting in
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
lobby, but he's not
Accept.
admitted.
ಹೌದಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
Next batch.
ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಚರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ರಾಯ್ಕರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you start. Aishwarya, who is with you? I mean to say your team.
Chetan, Deepa, Sai Bharatan, me, sir. Sheetal,
All are
sir.
ready, right?
Sheetal and Sai Bharat are not ready, it seems, sir. I, Deepa and Chetan are ready.
In today's presentation, who are all with you?
I, Deepa and Chetan, sir. We three are ready, sir.
Okay, you do it.
Okay. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, visible.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aishwarya from 8th SEM ISC. Here to present an internship presentation of e-commerce. Our project coordinator is Mr. Imran Khan, sir. Head of the department, Sunil Kumar BS, sir. Internship coordinator, Kirti Prasad, sir. And the company where I did my internship is Sukshmas. Contents that I have included in my presentation is abstract, company overview, introduction, advantages, disadvantages, core technologies used, results, and conclusion. Abstract. E-commerce, it is an electronic commerce. Sir.
Aishwarya, go to the first slide. First.
Sir, first time.
ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೋ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್
ಸೇಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇರ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸರ್ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸರ್?
ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಸರ್, ಗೈಡ್.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಗೈಡ್
ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ?
ಸರ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡ್. ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡ್. ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಗೈಡ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಶಾ, ನೀನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಸ್.
You continue, Aishwarya.
Yes, sir. Abstract. E-commerce, it is an electronic commerce in which buying and selling of goods and services on the internet, especially on World Wide Web. E-commerce, it is a process of doing business through computer networks. Unlike traditional commerce, it is carried out physically with effort of person to get products. It has made humans to reduce physical work, and it also saves time. People in the developed world and a growing number of people in the developing world now use e-commerce websites on the daily basis to make their everyday purchases. Company overview. Vision of the company is the customer first choice as a technology provider, envisioned to be a leader in the information technology services arena. Growth as a leader in the IT services shall be guided by organizational values and customer needs. Mission of the company is to provide high quality technology services and solutions at affordable cost in the information, internet and ubiquitous communication and supplementary services related to our core business. With all the above vision and mission for education, Sukshmas came into existence in April 2017. Sukshmas is a project by Sukshmas e-learning private limited company based in Bangalore. Company overview. Details of the company. It was founded in the year 2007, founded by Rajesh Kumar, entrepreneur, led by sir.
As it has been already, I mean to say, introduction about Sukshmas has already been given by Aishwarya, right?
Yes.
Previously.
Yes, sir.
So, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್.
Yes. Introduction. It is e-commerce is selling and buying of selling of goods and services. It is a platform which makes our lives more fulfilling to solve our needs. It also enables the users to find any service professional like a plumber, a painter, and contractor designs and all. Next, advantages of our project is that fast buying process, cost reduction, flexibility for customers, no reach limitations, fast response to the demand market. Disadvantages is security, lack of privacy, fear, product sustainability. Yeah, security is a main disadvantage in which it is the biggest drawback of e-commerce issue of security. People fear to provide their personal and financial information, even though several improvements have been made in the relations of data encryption. Fear of providing the credit card information and the risk of identifying limit of growth of e-commerce. Lack of privacy. Many of the websites do not have encryptions for the secure online transaction or to protect the online identity. It discourages the people to use the internet for conducting commercial interactions. And fear is that the people fear to operate in a priceless and faceless electronic world. Some of the businesses organization do not have physical existence. This aspect make people to opt for the physical stores for purchasing. Product suitability. Product suitability is that people have to rely on the electronic images to purchase the products. Sometimes when the products are delivered, products are being delivered, the products may not match with the electronic images that we have seen in the screen. This lacks the touch and feel of the which prevent people from online shopping. And the technologies that we have used in our project is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstraps, and MySQL for backend. Methodology, this MVC architecture is being used in our project. MVC is model wave controller. Model, it is the data which is used by the program if any of the database file or a simple object such as an icon. View, it means then displaying. View is a displaying object within in an application, for example, which includes the display of an window which we see user interface. Controller is that it updates the model and view. It accepts the input and perform the corresponding updation. For example, a controller can update a model by changing the attribute and a character. That is, these three interact together. With the model interacts with the database. The information that are given by the model, the controller reschedules it and it is sent to the view. View displays on the screen. These are the results. It is a home page of our project. This is the login page. This is the registration page. These are the fashion pages. And these are the project pages. Conclusion is that this social media marketing has a rich potential in reach virtually unpredicted traffic within the limit span of time. This in turn induces customers to reduce their requirements online. It is also one of the cost-effective ways to promotion of web business with structured approach, educated participation. Thank you. I'll show the demo of our project. Sir, is the screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
This is the home page. Here I have taken, here I have done the database connection wherein how the data is retrieved from the database and it is been displayed. I'll show it by logging in. So, registering. This is our register page. I have registered with the name Rinko and I'll log in with the same ID. I have logged in. Here it shows hello Rinku. That is, it fetches the name from the database and it identifies who is the user logged in and it shows the name and all the products which are added here are also from the database itself, added from the database. And we have used session, we have used for database, we have used MySQL, and next will be explained by Chetan.
Okay, Chetan, share your screen.
Hello. Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chetan Diyar. I am from 8th SEM Department of Science and Engineering. My seminar grade is internship coordinator is Kirti Prasad sir, and our HOD is Sunil Kumar BS sir. We have done internship under the company Sukshmas. Sir, not of the company. Hello. Hello, sir.
Chetan, skip company overview.
Next, coming to the introduction of e-commerce. Basically, commerce refers to all the activities which is under the purchase and sales of the goods and services. Modern electronic commerce typically uses the World Wide Web for at least one part of the transaction life cycle. It may also use other technologies such as email. Electronic commerce is doing commerce with the use of computers, networks, and commerce enabled software. Sir. Hello, sir.
Regarding e-commerce also, Aishwarya has given introduction. You straight away jump to your part in this project.
Sir, I will tell the different types of e-commerce, sir. There are basically 4 types of e-commerce. They are business to business. Yes.
That you tell.
There are basically 4 types of e-commerce. They are business to business e-commerce, business to commerce, and commerce to business, and consumer to business, and consumer to consumer. Basically, B2B e-commerce refers to the sales of goods and or services between the businesses via online sales portal. Well, sometimes the buyer is the end user. Often the buyer resells to the consumer. This type of e-commerce typically applies to the relationship between the producers and the wholesalers. And the second one is business to consumers. Here there is a direct to consumer. It deals with the electronic business relationship between the businesses, both the producers and the service providers, with the end consumers. Many people like the method of e-commerce as it allows them to shop around for the best prices. And the third one is the consumer to business e-commerce. Consumer to business e-commerce occurs when a customer makes their services or products competitive edge on the competitive edge of the consumer to business e-commerce model is in its pricing for goods and services. These approaches includes reverse auctions in which customers name the price for a product. Another form of consumer to business occurs when a consumer provides a business with a fees-based opportunities to market the business products on the consumer blog. And the fourth one is a consumer to consumer. It represents a market environment where one customer purchases goods from the other customer using a third-party business. The participants involved in the e-commerce are buyers, sellers, and producers. Buyers are the persons who makes a purchase. A person employed to purchase a stock or materials for a retail is called buyers. And the second one is the sellers. A person who sells something who acts as a third party is called. And third one is the producer. A producer is someone who creates and supplies goods and services. Producers combine labor and labor capital. Business firms are the main examples of the producers and are usually what economists have in the minimum. The process of e-commerce are mainly of 4 points. They are attractive in the customers, that is through the advertising and marketing, and interacting with the customers, that is through the catalog and negotiation. And third one is the handle and manage orders. This consists of order capture, payment, transaction, fulfillment, and the react to customer inquiries. This includes customer service and order tracking. Different types of technologies used in our project is in the front end we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. In the back end we have used Java, and the database connection we have used is the MySQL part. This is the architecture of the our project. First one is the web server. The web server is here. The web server is used to host an e-commerce website. All the HTML, JavaScript, PHP files, database media that make up the entire websites are stored on this server. The website development companies host the site on their own web server or pay a hosting company to the providers. And the second one is the application server. The application server provides a foundation for integrated e-commerce. This allows the consistent website performance and quick revealing of the backend data. And the third one is the database server. The database system helps the e-commerce sites to pinpoint the potential customers based on the compiled information. Marketing teams can be used customer data that is stored that will be used for the directing marketing efforts. This is the site map of our e-shopping. They are login, home, services, cart, about us, and feedback page. It contains various services like login, sign up, material, services, cart, and buy portal, payment page, etc. Sir, in this project, I have mainly looked upon the front end design, sir. We have used HTML as a front end design, sir. Basically, HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using the markup language. HTML elements are the building blocks of the HTML pages. With HTML constructs, images and other objects such as interactive forms may be embedded into the rendered page. HTML provides a means to the create structured documents by donating structural semantics for text such as headings, paragraphs, lists, and links. Next, HTML tags labels of pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and paragraph. Browsers do not display the HTML page but render the content of the page. And coming to the CSS. CSS stands for the cascading style sheet. Here the CSS is designed to enable the separation of the presentation and the content, including the layout, colors, and the fonts. CSS describes how the HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen, paper, or in the other media. This tells the separation of the formatting, and the content also makes it feasible to present the same markup page in the different styles. Next, textual style sheets are stored in the CSS. So these are the results, sir. This is the home page of our project, sir. This is the login page. This is the register. This is the section page on the product page, sir. Sir, is my screen visible, sir? Hello.
You are showing in PPT. Can you show the same thing in browser?
Yes, sir. So first I will finish the PPT, sir. The applications of the e-commerce are supply chain management, video on demand, remote banking, procurement and purchasing, online marketing, and home shopping. Next, coming the conclusions. After working with this project, we got to understand more about the technologies. And we get to understand more about the technologies with the real-time example, preferences of the people, and the ease of the work with the development of the apps. This social media marketing has a rich potential to reach virtually unpredicted traffic within the limited span of time, inducing customers to reach their requirements online. This in turn induces the customers to reach the requirements online. It is also one of the cost-effective way of the promotion and web business with the structural approach and dedicated participation. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Aishwarya, please share the project.
Yes, I'll share. Is the screen visible?
Yes. This is the front end of our project. So I have looked after the HTML part and the imaging part, sir. That is where to locate the images and where to locate the links and such things. And I have worked on the add to cart menu, sir. Or log into any register, any customer. Buy any product, sir. If you go to the any section and buy any product, sir. It will come directly to the add to cart page. Sir, this thing, these are the things I have done. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, next. Who is anybody else apart from you in your team? Deepti is there, right?
Deepa, sir.
Deepa, sir.
Deepa.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I'm
Deepa,
sharing,
you-
sir.
you-
Sir, is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Hello everyone, myself Deepa from MateSem ISC. I am here to present the internship presentation on e-commerce under the guide Mr. Imran Khan sir and our head of the department Dr. Sunil Kumar BS and our internship coordinator Mr. Kriti Prasad ji sir. And these are the contents: abstract, new overview, introduction, objectives, techniques used, architecture used, disadvantages and disadvantages, results and conclusion. Abstract: in today's fast changing business environment, it's extremely important to be able to respond to client needs in the most effective and timely manner. The
Deepa,
shopping cart is mainly used, sir.
Abstract and regarding company and introduction has been already given by your teammates. You straight away go to your part, what you have done in this internship.
Sir, I did report, sir. Sir, ಅವಾಗ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Point is, we don't want any repetitions.
Okay, sir.
What are you doing, Deepa?
Sir, report ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ sir.
Yeah, you demonstrate that part.
Sir,
You open your project and demonstrate how it works and what technology you use to develop that report.
okay sir. Aishwarya, share PPT. Sir, share screen.
Deepa, you mean to say the report of internship or in your application there is something called as reports?
Sir, internship report sir.
That is the job of individual. Every individual has to prepare it.
No
right?
sir. No sir, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು sir.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ.
ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಸರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಅವಾಗ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಡೆಮೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್. Okay, I'll give you 1 week time. Entire project you demonstrate with some explanation. You develop it and show. Only report is not acceptable.
Okay sir.
Next week you must demonstrate complete project with explanation.
Okay sir.
Next, I'll just mark as not present. Is not present. Channa, where were you, man? I was calling you many times.
Sir, there was some network problem, sir, so I rejoined now, sir.
Okay, start explaining your part in internship, what you have done. Share
Sir,
your screen and
no need
explain.
of PPT presentation, sir. Direct.
Actually, what has been told to you people is to divide the internship project among yourself, so that each one of you have to prepare a PPT of your part. We don't want any repetition. It has been clearly told in the last presentation. It does not mean you no need to prepare PPT. You need to prepare the PPT, but
Sir, my screen is
only
visible.
the part you have. Yes.
Okay.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Sir,
ನಿಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ
screen is
PPT ಮಾಡಿ.
visible, no, sir.
visible.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. I'm Pranav Suraj, Department of Information and Engineering. So, as come to my internship, we have made as far as said that on details of our project, and in this project, I have so coming to results.
Now,
I will show the
able to see.
Sir.
Now it is visible.
So as Aishwarya said, this is the home page and register page and login page. So I am going now. I will go to direct to project now. I will show the project. So this is the home page of our website. So this is the logo, and here user can book the packages, and you can edit if there is any edit you can edit the package booking, and you can cancel the booking. So coming to the user can register the name and he can register the packages. So in the login, so in this login, the admin login to this the packages booked by this. So coming to gallery. This is the gallery page. Here all studies have here they can visit the gallery pages. So coming to packages. So these are the packages. You can visit this page. There is the so they can register from these packages, two packages. User can book. So this we have made, sir.
Chenna, you got an opportunity to present virtually. You should have prepared for that. This is not accepted, man. What you are presenting is not visible properly, not audible.
Sir, next.
You are not supposed to use the network issue. You have to prepare for that because it has been already declared that this semester will be online classes and all. So you need to prepare for that, right?
Sir, I have prepared, sir, but there is some.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ. So give importance to technical seminar, the project second phase and internship, all the seminars. That is why in final year, most of the time you students will be busy with seminars and all. The only reason behind that is to get motivated for interviews by gaining some confidence. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಓಕೆ
ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು, ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇರೋರು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು ನೀವು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ದರ್ಶನ, ರಕ್ಷಿತ್. ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Yeah, good morning everyone.
Yes, start.
Am I audible? Hello. Yes. My name is Darshan. I'm from 8th Sem ISC GM Institute of Technology, and my internship coordinator is Mr. Kirti Prasad sir, and my guide is Mr. Kirti Prasad sir, head of the department Sunil Kumar BS. Next. This is the company overview.
In the PhD bracket in the Targila.
Sir.
I have told you, right?
Yes, sir.
Not made that correction. Okay, continue.
This is company overview. This is the abstract of our project. Event management. It is an online event management system software that serves the functionality of the user can also log in. The registered user can log in. The user also can register to this software, and he can book the slots in many events. such as marriage, dance show, birthday parties, festivals, etc., etc. Next. And this is the objective of our project. The main objective is to manage the details of an event and employee and booking venues and the payment process. Next. So let me give you a brief about our project. The event management, it is nothing but a process of a user who registers to that particular website or an application, and he will log in and he will book the event, and he will book the event and some payment processes will be conducted. Next. Yeah, we have used JDBC architecture, where this Java application is nothing but a JDBC client. Next, it is connected to the JDBC API, application programming interface. This API is used to access the tabular data which is stored in the database, and it is also used to execute, save, update, delete the data from the database. Nextly, the JDBC Drive Manager. This Drive Manager acts as an interface between the user and the drivers. It keeps track of the drivers that are available and handles establishing connection between the databases. Next, the JDBC drivers. This is the software content that enables Java application to interact with the database. And these are the technologies we have used. In the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the back end, we have used MySQL and to store the data. Next. These are the pages which I have worked on. This is the home page. And this is our team page. Next. And this is the registration module. And these are the some of the advantages of our project. Yeah, in here I conclude that we have made attempt to effectively introduce the concept of event management system. So I will show the demo, sir.
Yeah. Darshan not visible. Darshan.
Hello, sir.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Now it's visible.
Yeah, this is our home page. We have used HTML and CSS to design this, and navbar to align these elements, and used list. As soon as user enters this website, he will go to the login, user login. So if you are not, if he is not, he or she is not a member of this software, they can register. So this is the registration page. As soon as the user enters name, phone number, email, password, and clicks on the register, it will go to an servlet, means it is controller. From there, the function will be called to the model part. Mostly in the model, by using the drive DBC architecture, it will connect to the database, and once the connection is done, it will come back to the servlet, and the here added name, phone number, that will be stored in a database. Here I have also, we have used to add the elements to the. So should I show this registration?
Yes. If you already made some entries, you just show that.
Yes, sir, there are. Sir, I will directly register here, sir.
Okay, after registration.
Sir, after registration, it will go back to the login page, sir.
Yeah, once you log in, what are all the options visible? I mean to say in home page.
Sir, once I will log in.
Did they not insisted you to maintain the same theme for the complete project?
Sir, for what, sir?
In one of the screen, it is blue color. Here it is something dark yellow. You should have common theme with respect to look and feel.
Sir. Sir, after logging in, it will come to the services, sir.
Okay.
These are the services that we are providing them: DJ nights, wedding, birthday party, conferences,
This
anniversary.
particular
If
project, what is your part? Registration.
Sir, I have done that registration, sir. Registration part.
Only registration.
And also, sir, we have done everything. Like,
I have two simple questions for all the
Sir.
participants. Anybody can answer this. So if I am not wrong, the main objective of your internship at Sukshmas was full stack development. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by full stack development or full stack developer?
Both front end and back end, sir. working on both front end and back end.
A person who is responsible for designing, implementing, and testing with respect to front end, back end, and the complete project, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope all of you people have used HTML5 and CSS3, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
CSS for appearance, HTML5 and CSS for appearance, and JavaScript for validation, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, what is the primary difference between HTML and HTML5 and CSS and CSS3? Without knowing this, you should not start your project, because while starting the project, you should have learned the difference. Why I have to pick that particular tool or technology? Why not some other? The decision has to be made at the beginning stage itself. By knowing the advantage or profit, what you are going to get from that tool, only then you can adopt that in your project implementation, right?
Sir,
You need to
HTML5
justify what is the reason behind choosing these technologies.
Sir, HTML5 is
the
a
updated
new
version
version of HTML, sir.
HTML.
I know it is new version of HTML. What is the difference?
Means, it will
Why they
have
have
much
released new
more
version?
functionality than HTML, sir.
In what aspect? Much more functionality? Any particular?
Sir,
You mean to say there is
HTML,
HTML4, HTML3,
Sir, in
HTML2, something like
HTML5
that?
it allows JavaScript, sir.
and
It allows?
HTML doesn't.
It allows JavaScript to run in their background, sir.
You mean to say in normal HTML that facility is not there? They
No,
cannot
sir.
use the tag called as JavaScript, the head tag.
No, sir.
In normal HTML, even in head tag, we can include JavaScript tag.
But within a web browser, it won't allow. No, sir.
Within web browser, you won't allow. So you mean to say before 2000 there were no HTML pages which which does not have
No,
any
sir, it
JavaScript
was there, but it
validation
won't
and
allow
all.
JavaScript thing.
Sir, HTML does not support video and audio. HTML5 supports both.
Video and HTML, plain HTML doesn't support video and audio.
Yes, sir.
So in your application, you are playing videos and audios. That is why you are using HTML5. That is what you mean, or what?
Yes, sir.
Till now, I have seen 3 or 4 project demonstration in Sukshmas. I haven't seen any video kind of display or audio kind of inclusion in that project. Then why you are using HTML5?
Sir, in HTML, doc type length is lengthy, sir. Declaration is lengthy, sir. But in HTML5, doc type declaration is simple, sir.
You just understand the perspective of asking this question. So what benefit you are going to get from HTML5? Not some simple answer like it does not support JavaScript, it does not support audio, video, something like that.
Sir, in our internship, we have used only
Expected,
HTML. Only HTML we have used, sir. All of us.
see, the main agenda or whatever you call objective of using or selecting these tools, as per my knowledge, is you can build your project as a mobile friendly version, what we call it as a bootstrap kind of thing, mobile friendly version, which is the need of the day. So everybody cannot what I mean to say is implement all the projects in Android or iOS or something like that. Nowadays, all the projects are being developed as mobile friendly. I mean to say all web applications are being developed as mobile friendly. The sole purpose of this is mobile friendly versions of output you can get from HTML5 and CSS3. Clear?
Sir, in HTML5, HTML also we can use a responsive. We can create responsive website, no, sir. That is also mobile friendly.
Yeah, it's also possible, but many of the features which are available in HTML5 are not supported in earlier versions. Unmute ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Have you understood the point I mean to say in ಯಾವುದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದು ಕೇಳಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is next? Deepthi,
Yes, sir.
I will start.
A pleasant good morning to all. I Deepthi from 8th ISC. I'm here to present my internship presentation. Not audible, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Okay, sir. Are you seeing, sir? Are you getting, sir? PPT. Sir, PPT is visible, sir? Sir?
Visible.
Pleasant good morning to one and all. I Deepthi from 8th ISC. I'm here to present my internship presentation on agrotech. An agrotech is an agricultural website. These are my contents. Abstract company overview, introduction, objectives, techniques, implementation, advantages and disadvantages. As we all know, agriculture is the backbone of our Indian economy and it is the most important of Indian economic activities.
We are still in first slide. For us, it is still first slide.
Now we were visible in scene.
Yeah, you please synchronize that. What you are explaining and your slide should be synchronized.
Now it's in sir or not?
Yeah,
I mean
visible.
abstract page, sir, actually.
But some noise. Why I don't know why it is.
I'm audible or not, sir?
I'm hearing some noise. Audible, but is for me only or Nisha nimgu everything ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
Yes, sir. Background noise ಇದೆ.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Nisha, now.
Now it's okay.
As we all know, agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy and it is most important part of our economical activities. Agriculture is related to domesticated plants and animals as activity of satisfying man needs. Nowadays, agriculture has thus become a unique branch of geographical in the physical environment and man's response. If you have become credential point of research and regionalization, the human being as modifying the land to obtain food and other essential form of thousands of years. Lands use and land cover changes for greater than ever in history. To changes the environment concerns of human population, climate changes, biodiversity loss, and water, soil and air pollution. This is the overview of the company. Agriculture, in introduction, agriculture is the science, art, and practice of cultivating crops, livestock, and other renewable resources. Professionals in the field of agriculture is called as agriculturists. They provide advice to farmers and farm employees. Farms and agri-businesses are the core of the agricultural industry. 1/3 of the world's workers are employed in agriculture. Secondly, only the service sectors, although in recent decades the global trend of decreasing number of agriculture workers continues, especially in developing countries where smallholding is being overtaken by industrial agriculture and machinization. An online store is a virtual store on the internet where customers can browse the catalogs of what the agricultural products they want of their interest, and they select items and may collect in the shopping cart. Our objective is, the objective of this project is developing general purpose of agricultural stores where products like crops, fruits, vegetables, seeds, and all the agricultural needs can be bought from the comfort of home through the internet. The agricultural information system provides it users to get online information about the fruits, vegetables, statistical details, and new techniques, the trends of the crops, acts, and that this will be pretty important for the people now. The main features of this information system includes retrieval facilities and obtaining the fruits and the vegetables at the right time. Techniques used are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL. Mine is actually a static pages. Mine part is this is the home page. This is login page. This is register form. This is product page. These are the schemes of agricultural farming team schemes. This is animal husbandry, crop management, fertilization, testing and results of all the things of we done in project like login, registration, and everything. Advantages are it save times, cost effective, shop any store worldwide, ship your things directly, employment opportunities, direct contact from sellers and to buyers. These are the disadvantages. In literature survey, agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy, said by Mahatma Gandhi in 6 decades ago. Even today, the situation is still the same, with almost the entire economy being sustained by agriculture, which is Ministry of Villages. It contributes 16% of all overall GDP and accounts for the employment of the approximately 52% of Indian population. Rapid growth in agriculture is essential not only for self-reliance but also for the earn valuable foreign exchanges. My conclusion is, after working with this project, I got to understand more about the technologies and also the real-time examples. Many things about farming like crop management, water management, soil management, livestock farming, etc. and many things, and selling, buying and fresh vegetables. Mine part is actually static pages. Due to some issues, Ashita will share the screen and I will explain them. Ashita, share the screen.
Ashita is busy with interview, I think.
No, sir. She's also continuing next to me. Next. This is actually our project home screen.
Is Ashita G, Ashita S?
Ashita, yes, sir.
Okay.
These are the schemes what all implemented and all agrotech schemes.
I think next Nandana is going to present as she has some
This is
assignment.
After
you allow Nandana to present.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually Ashita is continuing, sir, next to me because she's also our project only, and she is only one presenting in next. This is animal husbandry page.
A letter present after Nandana.
Okay, sir. This is animal husbandry page. And next is next slide. Tools and machines used. Crops, what are the crops are there and how their managements and all. This is about water management information. This is soil management. This is about fertilization, organic and inorganic fertilization information. So this is my actually works or static pictures is done by me. The next part will be continued by Arshita also.
Nandana will continue, Dipti, not me.
Okay, and I mean next to Nandana. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, audible.
Good morning, everyone. I'm from HM ISC. Today I'm going to present presentation on that is hotel management. Our head of the department is Dr. Sunil Kumar BS sir, and the internship guide is Mr. Kirti Prasad sir. Next I will move to the presentation outlines.
And just
Sorry sir, I cannot audible you.
I am not guide. I am just coordinator. Guide is.
Sir,
I mean
internship
to say
guide.
there were 3 people from Sukshmas, right?
Yes sir.
Who are actually guiding you people in internship, not me. I am just coordinating.
Sorry sir.
Okay.
Next, move to the presentation outline, that is company overview, project description, internship description, and overall experience and conclusion. As many of them explained about the company overview. Next, I will move to the project description. The project online hotel management system is a web-based application that allows the hotel manager and the owner to handle all the hotel activities online easily and safely. At the same time, the owner of the hotel will be feel comfortable to keep the check on the hotel easily from anywhere around the world. This application gives him the power and flexibility to manage the entire system from a single online system. Hotel management project provide room booking, staff management, and other necessary hotel management features. This system allows the manager to post available rooms in a system. Customer can view and book the room online. Admin has an power of either approving or disapproving the customer booking request. Admin means here the hotel manager is having a ability to approving or disapproving the room booked by the customer. Other hotel services can also be viewed by the customer and can book them also. The other features include gym facility, transport facility, and other. The system is hence useful for both the customer and the manager to the portable manage the hotel activity.
this is sort of the description of the project, that is hotel. When the customer view the web page on the hotel from online, the customer login or have to register to that hotel website. After login or register, only the customer will be able to book the room and other services. After that, admin has an power to approve or disapproving the booking done by the customer. After that, the result will be shown at the end user, that is the customer. Like this, our project works. Our main domain is to do this project is full stack development. It refers to a development of both the front end, that is client side or a user login page, and the back end, that is a server side. We use MySQL for the web application, that is server side. Full stack web developer has an ability to design complete web application and the websites. They work on the front end, back end database and the debugging of web application or a website. These are some technical details that we use to construct the project. Front end languages are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Backend framework is done by MySQL. These are some of the results of our project, that is home page, admin page. Only admin can only log into this page and view over all the details of the booking of the hotel. And this is about the contact page, and this is about the login page for the user, and this is registration page of the user. This is about static page for the this is gallery. This is about the overall experience of my project. That is, my internship helped me to learn how to interact with the different types of people. It also taught me techniques of how to manage time better. Teamwork is an important aspect of running successful company, and my internships have taught me how to do this on a business level. My internship taught me and how to communicate effectively both within team and outside the team. And let's come to the conclusion. After working with this project, I get to understand more about the technologies with the real-time examples, the performance of the people, and the ease of the work with the development of the apps. This social media marketing has a rich potential to reach virtually unpredicted traffic within the limited span of time. This in turn induces customer to reach their requirement online. It is also one of the most effective way of promotion of an web business with the structured approach and dedication participation. In this project, I have done contact page and admin page. I will show the demo of that. Shantala, please share the screen. Shantala, please share the screen. Shantala? This is about the home page of our hotel website. Next, I will explain my part, that is contact page. Move to the contact page. This is about the contact page where I enter the contact email and all other features as a static, but the map as an live map visible. so that everyone can see the map over here. This is the live map I am showed here. Next, move to the admin page, where you can see that admin page. Yeah, here only admin can enter this page. So if any other credentials are entered, it's not accepted. Shantala, first enter the other credentials. Don't enter the proper credentials. See, this is how the project works. So if others try to enter as an admin, it won't take. Now let's again log in as an admin with a proper credential. All these are the credentials booked by the user are visible only to the admins. Here he has an power that to accept or reject the room booked by the customer on the availability of the date and the rooms that displayed on the home page. So you can see on the right side of the corner, that is the two buttons I have given, accept and the reject. If the admin accept that the request sent by the user, the room is booked. If he reject, it will be cancelled. Shantala, just accept anyone request. Accept anyone, someone's request. Click on the button accept. Yeah, you can see that Sana's requests have been accepted. Likewise, reject someone's. See, XYZ request have been rejected. Like this, the booking of the room have been done. If we go move to the logout button, it will click on. It will directly move out to the login form. That is the page we entered before the login. All these credentials are saved in MySQL database. This is about my project, what I have done. Thank you.
Okay, next. Harshita, you can continue with your project.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshita from ISC. So, as we all know, the introduction have been given by Deepthi. So, my part of this project is login and registration part. So, login is logging in into the entering of an identifier information into the system by the user in order to access that system. It is an integral part of the computer security procedures. A login generally requires the user to enter two pieces of information. First, the username, then the password. To register, to put the information, especially your name, into the official list or the record. To record, show, express, or record the security credentials. If the register records in the system website, the data will be stored in their database. So So this is our project and this is my part, login. So this is how it looks, the login forms. If we try to login without entering any information, it will show that username is required and the password is required. Then register. In this register, we have to enter the username, phone number, email ID, password, and we should confirm the password. If we create without entering the information, it will show like this. So even we have given the even the user enters into this website, he can't sell or buy anything unless and until he logins into the system. So once we log in into the system, it will show the logout and the customer can sell or buy the product. Once we log out, it will enter into the home page. Sir, this is my part of this project, sir. Thank you, everyone.
So basically, what you learned from this internship, as correctly mentioned by Nandana, she just mentioned few points, right? Like what is the
Yes,
outcome of that internship? Can you just summarize like that?
Okay. Actually, I have learned that communication between what we discuss and actually implement is there, no, sir. Teamwork will play an important role in this, sir. And and we will learn so many things in this, like.
You can name few like communication part, interacting with the team, and how to integrate different technologies.
Yes, sir.
You be ready for such question in interviews. If such question is asked, you should be ready with answers, proper answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, Madhu, you are ready?
Thank you, sir.
Madhu Basaraj. ನಿಶಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಧು? Okay, she has not informed us.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
But she not communicated to me. Okay. Thank you for your presentations. Next presentation will be on Saturday, that is on 29th. So from Niharika to Rakshitakke, I mean to say Rakshityam. Niharika, Nisha, Prajwal, Priyanka CG, Rachana, Raghavendra, Rajesh and Rakshit. Am I clear?
ಸರ್ ನಯನ ನೇಮಿತ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್.
No, sir, regular only, sir. You told till Nemita yesterday. You told.
Took some few people took permission.
Okay, sir.
So that's it for the day. We'll wind up. So next Saturday, eight people, Niharika to Rakshit.
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರು?
ಸರ್ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಜಿ ಸರ್, ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಟೀಮ್.
ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಜಿ
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 8th ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ವೆನ್ ಸರ್? ಇವತ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇವತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ದೀಪ್ತಿ
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಶಾ ಇತ್ತ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಸರು?
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ.
If you are
ಸರ್
ready,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
you
ವೀಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ.
Oh, okay. Okay then. Fine.
Okay, sir.
ನಿಶಾ ಅದು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay, thank you all.